the hands are moving on the keyboard itna fast ki it surprises me.
Costumes, dance, synchronization, very nice. Keep it up.
थामा था रोका इसको किसने, था ये तो बहता पानी। कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी।
Love me thoda,
In the dim of night when the stars are shining bright,
love me thoda.
take my hand in your hand.
And if you thought that was good, we just made it better.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Salim Khan and Cheryl Joseph from Capgemini Bangalore, who will perform on the song Jeele Zara from the film Talash. Let's give them a round of applause.
I'm Cheryl and this is
Salim.
from Capgemini, Bangalore. It was a pleasure being here.
मैं हूँ गुमसुम, तू भी खामोश है। सच है समय का ही सब दोष है। धड़कन धड़कन एक गम रहता है। वो जाने क्यों फिर भी दिल कहता है, जी ले जरा, जी ले जरा। कहता है दिल, जी ले जरा। ऐ हम सफर, ऐ हम नवा, आ पास आ, जी ले जरा। है जिंदगी माना दर्द भरी, फिर भी इसमें ये राहत भी है। मैं हूँ तेरा और तू है मेरी, यूं ही रहे हम, ये चाहत भी है। दिल के दिल से दिल क्यों टूटे हैं, हम जीने से इतने रूठे हैं। दिल के दरवाजे हम खोले, हम दोनों जी भर के रोले। जी ले जरा, जी ले जरा। कहता है दिल, जी ले जरा। हम सफर, हम नफा, पास आ, जी ले जरा।
Subhash ji,
It's amazing to see children working in companies and displaying their talent in such manner. It's wonderful to watch you. You both were so good, displaying the correct emotions with the correct movements and with the correct expressions. I like the drama part of it very much. God bless you. Keep it up.
Leslie Lewis.
Hi, you guys were really going for it, and the energy was there. The passion of what you were trying to say or portray was coming through. You guys have a lot of talent. I can see you're very talent, but I'm just thinking कि आपने जो ये अभी concept लिया है, you see a lot of this happening everywhere. You have that chance to kind of add something that you can make it like your own. Something special, something different. So next time when you do something, उसके बारे में सोचो कि बहुत अच्छा डांस कर रहे हो, सब टैलेंट है, थोड़ा उसको अपनापन एक डालोगे तो I think it'll be more special than what you did today. And you guys were great. Thank you.
Fantastic. And Ashley.
I think what Leslie said and what Subhashi said is, I think I agree completely that what you all are doing is you all are feeling a lot, but you're feeling individually. If you're doing a pair sequence, you must feel connected to each other. You all must be talking to each other and you all must be listening to each other in the body. Also, जब आप lift करते हैं, when you do lifts, I should not see the lift. I should feel the lift. If I see the lift, then it becomes a trick. It doesn't become dance. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah? So when
Yes.
you're lifting, I should feel like it's part of your emotion. That lift happened because you were feeling that, not because कि मुझे lift दिखाना है. So that is where I'd say. But I think for people who are out there from the corporate world doing what you're doing, it is just amazing. I had one thing to both of you. You all are both extremely gifted, and I wish you all would train more. So figure out, and I know we don't have something in Bangalore, but if you were in Bombay, I would ask you, please come and train with me for free, and it will be no issue. You have the talent for sure.
Wow, that was so generous. All right, fantastic. Okay, now for the scores. Ashley, 7 points. Very well done. And, well, we'll keep Subhash Guy's score as a secret. Leslie, 8 points. Fantastic. Thank you very much, guys. Let's give them a big round of applause. Very well done.
It was exciting to take part in this competition, and all the more exciting because we have cleared the first round, the second round, and then we've got a chance to perform on such a big stage. Yeah, I think we did pretty well.
And we are happy with the comments also.
Yeah, he said he would train us for free, so that was a very big comment for us. We had fun taking part in CTC, and we will surely come back next year too.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready because coming up is Deepanshu Gupta from IBM Pune. But before he comes on the stage, little bit about him. Trained in classical music for 8 years before he started performing at the stage and national level. CTC is happy to have this brilliantly talented singer. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for Deepanshu Gupta, who's going to be singing Tadap Tadap Ke from Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam.
Being to the corporates, it's always been into the offices and all, and never get a time to search for these blue line people. However, these people, like whatever verdict they provide or give, it's absolutely fabulous from their end, even from our end. Being into the singing line for a bit of a time, however, lost track, and again back with this particular talent hunt like CTC and all. It's like amazing platform.
फिर तेरे इश्क ने ही इस दिल को तबाह किया तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही मुझको सजा दी प्यार की ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए हाँ लुट गए तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही मुझको सजा दी प्यार की ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए हाँ लुट गए तो लुट गए हम तेरी मोहब्बत में कभी फुरकत है यही क्या वो मोहब्बत बहरे वाह तेरी कुदरत से आह निकलती रही मुझको सजा दी प्यार की ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए हाँ लुट गए तो लुट गए हम तेरी तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आह निकलती रही मुझको सजा दी प्यार की ऐसा क्या गुनाह किया तो लुट गए हाँ लुट गए तो लुट गए हम तेरी Thank you.
Brilliant. Let's give him a big round of applause. Absolutely fantastic. Very well done.
Thank you.
All right, it's time for the judges to tell us what they felt. पहले शुरू करते हैं सुभाष जी.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
एंड पर्टिकुलरली जो इस गाने में जो सिंगिंग है वो काफ़ी टफ सिंगिंग है. इट इज़ नॉट ए इजी सॉन्ग. पर्टिकुलरली जब उसका हाई पिच पे जाना और उसी को सॉफ्ट फीलिंग से गाना. इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट कि सॉफ्ट फीलिंग भी हो और हाई पिच का गाना भी हो, और आपने बहुत खूबी निभाया है. Congratulations.
Gold to me. Thank you, sir.
Very well done. जोरदार तालियां. Leslie Lewis, ladies and gentlemen.
मुझे एक ही कहना है कि जब आपने स्टार्ट किया ना, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस नेगेटिवली, बट एज अ हो सके आपको ये हेल्प आगे कुछ काम में आए. जब वो स्टार्टिंग में आपने गाया ना, वो कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं लगा, और जब गाना शुरू हो गया तो बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट लगे. तो यू शुड बी केयरफुल व्हेन यू आर सिंगिंग टू पार्ट्स ऑफ अ सॉन्ग. बट यू आर साउंडिंग ऑसम, साउंडिंग वेरी गुड, एंड a big hand to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Ashley.
Dipanshu,
Hello, sir.
singing is not my forte. But what I did like about you when you were singing was aapka jo passion hai. It's obviously that you are passionate about your singing, and it comes through very, very clearly. Like I felt like Leslie, I think shuruaat mein you were a little nervous, lekin just as you warmed up, I felt you. Thank you.
Let's give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely fantastic. Devanshu, let's have Leslie give his score. Whoa, 7. Let's give him a big round of applause. 7. It's Leslie Lewis. Subhashi. 8. Fantastic. Let's give him a big round of applause. Ashley, secret. But that was fantastic. Let's give a big round of applause. That is Devanshu. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye inke liye.
There was a bit nervousness. The only thing which I was thinking, it's not winning or all sort of thing. However, this song which I have picked it up, I need to justify it all the way along. So the comments what they have given me, it's like absolutely okay, and I'm very much super proud with. The competition is pretty much high that we have crossed the city level finales and all that, and finally we are into the finales. So it's like super amazing. The competition is really tough for the singing because every other guy out there is like talking about this particular competition is very much tough.
तू की जाने प्यार मेरा मैं करा इंतजार तेरा.
Next, we have on the stage a very talented artist who's been with the CTC family since its inception as a valuable judge. He was the force behind the band Infrared as the lead singer and now the founder of Jules Rocks. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a band which is fantastic, and after 6 years stint in City, he found his calling in singing and ventured out as an artist on his own. He originates from Kirana Gharana, one of the most prolific Hindustani Khayal Gharana, and today he is very popular artist amongst corporates and for big social dues. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause and welcome Tushar Jewel.
मैं तेनू समझावा की ना तेरे बाजों लगदा जी. मैं तेनू समझावा की ना तेरे बाजों लगदा जी. तू की जाने प्यार मेरा मैं करा इंतजार तेरा. तू की जाने प्यार मेरा मैं करा इंतजार कलियां बह के रोंदे नैन नुमाने मेरे दिल विच रह के मेरे दिल दा हाल न जाने तेरे बाजों कलियां बह के रोंदे नैन नुमाने जीना मेरा जीना मेरा होए मरना मेरा नाल तेरे सी कर एतबार मेरा मैं करा इंतजार तेरा तू दिल तू यो जान मेरी मैं तेनू समझावा कि ना तेरे बाजों लगदा जी
With brilliant performances, one after the other, our clients were certainly enthralled.
So I happen to have the fortune of launching CTC, the trophy. I think this is a fantastic initiative, and the way they are going about it, the team is also young, dynamic, and is making all efforts to reach out to corporates. And for us, it's lovely to see what CTC is doing. And I wish Nishant and everybody in Engage for More a fantastic future. And I hope you break your own records and keep going and keep going and keep going. All the very best, team. Way to go.
North and West के बाद चलते हैं South की ओर. He's been learning the tabla for over 20 years now and has received formal training from his 3 gurus, Pandit Kiran Deshpande ji, Supreet Deshpande ji, and Sri Rahul Popil ji. Can we have a big round of applause for Pankaj Chandrasekhar from HCL Technologies, Bangalore, who will be playing his own composition. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए उनके लिए. Come on.
Good evening. My name is Pankaj Chandrasekhar Munje and I am from HCL Technologies, Bangalore.
पंकज जी बहुत अच्छा एफर्ट था, बहुत अच्छा. 3 ताल से अम्ब्रेला तक गए और उसका बिल्डअप भी किया और बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे सुनने में. लेकिन यह है कि थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस की और ज़रूरत है ताकि ऐसे लगे नहीं कि तबला बजा रहे हैं, लगे कि वो बज रहा है और ख़ुद में ही बज रहा है. लेकिन जो एफर्ट है आपका मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई देख के.
Thank you very much.
बहुत अच्छा किया. God
Thanks,
bless
sir.
you.
Thank you. Leslie.
पंकज जी
जी
बहुत अच्छा बजा रहे थे, साउंडिंग वेरी गुड, लेकिन मेरे हिसाब से जब तबला बजाओगे तो ताल इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट,
you're right, sir.
और लहरे के साथ जब आप बजाओगे तो वो ताल में थोड़ा रहना चाहिए. तो आपका जो बजाना ठीक था, लेकिन लहरे के साथ वो सम नहीं आ रहा था, या सम आ रहा था तो बाकी का ताल सिंक में नहीं हो रहा था रिदम के हिसाब से, कभी कभी स्लिप हो रहा था.
Right.
मुझे पता है मुश्किल है तबला बजा के साथ में कोई मशीन में गाना बज रहा है, तो लाइव आपको अकम्पनीमेंट नहीं है,
Right.
बट बहुत अच्छा कोशिश, एंड आप ट्राई कीजिएगा. आई थिंक यू जिस प्रैक्टिस, और बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Ashley.
Pankaj, very, very good effort.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Lekin, like Leslie and Subhash ji have said, ki I think more practice, yeah, and like I said earlier, ki I need to feel it, and I couldn't feel it because it wasn't going completely with the melody. Yeah, in terms of volume, it should modulate. I didn't feel those modulations. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
All right, let's get the scores. Let's have Subhashi giving a score. Subhashi, 7 points. Very well done. Congratulations.
Thanks,
Leslie, 6. Fantastic. And Ashley is going to keep his score as secret. Thank you very much, sir.
I played tabla just now. I played teen tal in tabla. I think it is a very good platform through which we can keep our art alive. Basically, what has happened is during our professional lives, we tend to forget what art we are aware of. And I'm really thankful to CTC for arranging such a great competition and providing such a platform to artists like us who have a niche of art and niche of professional talent in ourselves.
If you were dancing this in New York, it would look awesome.
Next is a competent classical Odissi dancer for 19 years now. Late Guru Kelucharan Mohapatra, pioneer of the Odissi dance, is Pratiksha's idol. Although Pratiksha has participated in competitions before, but it has always been at college level. This is the first time she's performing at such a huge platform. Somehow finds time to practice between work and home, and here she is all set. Ladies and gentlemen, Pratiksha Das from Maruti Suzuki, New Delhi, who will perform a classical dance. Let's give her a round of applause. Talia!
Hi everyone, I'm Pratiksha Das. I'm from Maruti Suzuki India Limited, Gurgaon. And today I'm performing an Odissi number on the song named Ganga Taranga.
Fantastic. Subhashji.
Pratiksha, very graceful, I would say. You carried very well the whole music, talam, and the melody. With full grace, complete nice body movements, and apt to the classical culture of it. God bless you. Good effort. God bless you. Thank you.
Very well done. Ashley.
Pratiksha, earlier in your introduction, they said you've been dancing for like quite a few years, both training here. It shows in your form. It's very, very clear in your form that you have been trained very, very beautifully. Again, like Subhashji, I love the colors you've used. It's a very unusual combination of the red and the bronze. It's just beautiful to look at in the whole costume. I think जब आप dance करते हैं, it's important to soak the music in fully so that the movement comes from the sound and you're not dancing to the music. Does that make sense? Yeah? And I would urge you to practice that. Allow yourself to listen more. I have a saying when I teach dance is listen, feel, dance. So you listened, and at places you were just going listen, dance, and you weren't completely feeling. Yeah? Soak the music in more. But thank you, it was beautiful.
Brilliant. Leslie.
Hi, Pratiksha. You're looking lovely, like both the other judges are saying. Yes, definitely. Your body line was great. And like Subhashji actually nailed it. You know, you had that culture vibe. I was just thinking if you were dancing this in New York, it would look awesome. And you'd be able to carry the culture to another country. So keep rocking.
Hey, let's get the score. Ashley. All right, there you are. 7 points. Very well done, Subhashji. 8 points. Very well done. Leslie, we keep your score as a secret. Let's give a big round of applause. Pratiksha, very well done. Thank you. Zordar Talia.
I went to the stage today to do my best and I gave it 100%, and I think I danced my best, and as far as judges' comments are concerned, the response was quite good, and I'm looking forward for the results. It's once in a lifetime opportunity one gets if he or she comes into the finale, and the level of competition is also very high, and I really enjoyed. Whenever you have this, I'll come and I'll participate in it. Let it be season 5, 6, 7, like infinite times I'm ready to come here.
ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैंने जब स्टार्ट किया था ऐसा ही कुछ लग रहा था.
जय, मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ, तू गाड़ी नहीं चलाएगा.
छोड़ना.
जय, कभी तो मेरी बात मान लिया कर.
कुछ नहीं होगा.
He has been trained in tabla. He picked up the bass guitar on his own and formed a college band with a keen interest in Indian pop and alternative rock music. He idolizes Kurt Cobain. Please welcome on the stage Anurag Munjal from Capgemini, Gurgaon, who will play his own composition on the acoustic guitar. Unke liye zordar taaliyan. Let's give it up. Very nice. Judges.
अनुराग, commendable efforts, बहुत अच्छी. I must say that you have the courage and passion for playing guitar, and I could see that. I must say that you are very good and keep it up, keep it up.
Fantastic. यार मुझे एक बात बताओ, सारे गिटारिस्ट खड़े होके बजाते हैं, आप बैठ के बजा रहे हैं, इसमें कुछ कोई सुपरस्टिशन?
एक्चुअली ये काफ़ी मोटा हूँ तो ऊपर ही आता है गिटार, सो आई तो
अच्छा, आप मतलब एब्स छुपा रहे थे?
एग्जैक्टली
फैमिली पैक.
फैमिली पैक.
Good. Leslie.
Hi Anurag. It's so good to see you and hear you performing. क्योंकि ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैंने जब स्टार्ट किया था ऐसा ही कुछ लग रहा था कि खुद का कॉम्पोजिशन अपने स्टाइल में बजाना और सबके सामने बिंदास बजाना. I think that's amazing. You sound awesome and keep rocking.
Very well done, Ashley.
Anirudh, in dance हम बोलते हैं कि when the technique becomes you, then the artist gets born. Okay, कि there is no separation between you and the technique. And I think you're at that stage कि जब you're honing and owning the technique. So I can feel that at the end of your piece, you spoke to me. So that is a place where I think you feel, you start, and like Subhashi said, I started to really feel you. You started talking to me. So thank you for that.
Brilliant. Very well done. All right, let's have the scores. Let's start off with Ashley. 7 points. Very well done. Very well done. Subhashi, 7. Yeah, congratulations. Happy?
Oh yes, I'm happy. Thank you very much.
All right, let's give him a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
I played acoustic guitar and it was an amazing experience. I never thought I'll be performing in front of such huge, amazing judges around and, such a good crowd and so many enthusiastic teams participating in all sort of categories. So overall, an ultimate experience. The best comment that I got was from Leslie Lewis. He said that you reminded me of my old days. When I started guitar, I used to play, such tunes and, do some original compositions. So overall, a big heads up for me. Thank you, CTC. Thank you, Capgemini.
While CTC is all about reliving your passion and having fun, this year, the winning team of Group Theatre, Mahindra & Mahindra, worked with Team Engage for More and Whistling Woods to create a short film to give out a message to the society. Don't drink and drive. So let's see how our corporates decided not to risk it.
Since we have a Whistling Woods here who train students, aspirants, in filmmaking, we have 24 courses there. But still I started one exercise, one workshop called Fifth Veda Cultural Lab. So for that purpose also we have established one iPray room, a meditation center, where the students, when they have a huge pressure in their mind, they go to the iPray room and they meditate. Under such a pressure, under corporate companies, I can see that there are so many artists in these companies who are normally feel suppressed about it. And when this kind of CTC programs happen and when they encourage their employees, I feel very nice about it. And now very soon I am going to the auditorium of Whistling Woods to watch their performance. And let me see how amateur perform.
महिंद्रा इंश्योरेंस ब्रोकर्स आपके लिए पेश कर रहे हैं मैं जिम्मेदार हूँ यहाँ के हम सिकंदर चाहे तो रख लो सबको अपनी जेब के अंदर
किधर था बे? अरे वो घर पे काम था ना. हाय गर्ल्स.
हाय
हाय मी पण हाय. अरे वो देख यश जा रहा है.
अरे यार इन लोगों ने रोक लिया अभी.
यश इधर आ. किधर जा रहे हैं भाग भाग के?
अरे यार तुम लोग भूल गए ना आज क्या है?
आज तो रक्षाबंधन है.
अरे राखी चुप बैठ ना.
अरे चुप बैठो यार तुम लोग. आज अपना रिजल्ट है.
क्या बात कर रहा है? क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
पापा कहते हैं कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ
है मेरा नाम?
अरे मुझे 50%, मुझे 51.
I'm just pass.
शिट यार.
क्या हुआ?
यश का नाम तो ये लिस्ट में है ही नहीं.
अरे यार तूने वापस नीचे से देखा ना. ऊपर देख उसने टॉप किया है.
वाह.
ओए 3 इडियट्स इधर आओ. It's time to party.
एक मिनट यार जय तू तो फेल हो गया यार.
पास और फेल की किसको पड़ी है? अपना बाप जिंदाबाद।
अरे सुनो ना यार, पार्टी करने के लिए हाउस आइरिश जाते हैं ना?
नहीं, रॉक कैफे चलते हैं। अरे यश, तू आएगा ना?
नहीं यार, वैसे भी मैं वहाँ के करूँगा क्या?
तू दूध पी दूध।
अबे
अरे यश, आज के दिन चलना, आगे तेरी मर्जी।
ठीक है, मैं तुम लोगों के साथ चलता हूँ, लेकिन मुझे एक बात बताओ, वापस आते समय गाड़ी कौन चलाएगा?
यश, मैं हूं ना, तू चल।
Party all night, party all night, party all night, we do party all night. Cheers! Party all night, party all night, party all night, we do party all night.
आंधी पुलिस बुला लेगी, आंधी पुलिस बुला लेगी।
अरे वही बोल रहा हूँ यार, वही पुलिस आने के पहले हम लोग निकलते। चल यार, जय 3 बज गए यार, लेट हो रहा है।
चलो चलो।
मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया,
हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया।
अरे यार, ये जय कहाँ रह गया?
लो आ गया।
जय, गाड़ी तू चलाएगा?
नहीं।
थैंक गॉड।
गाड़ी ऑलरेडी 4 पैक डाउन है, वो तो ऑटोमेटिक ही चलेगी।
अरे चुप बैठो यार। जय, मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ, तू गाड़ी नहीं चलाएगा।
छोड़ना।
जय, कभी तो मेरी बात मान लिया कर।
कुछ नहीं होगा। अरे यश किधर है? यश को देखा? यही तो था।
अरे वो रहा।
अरे यश, उठना, तुझे तो इंजीनियर बनना था ना? एक बहुत बड़ा इंजीनियर बनना है और अपनी माँ का सपना पूरा करना है।
यश, सॉरी यार।
हाँ, अब क्या फायदा?
अरे यश, तू पिकनिक आ रहा है ना? साले तूने तो पैसे भी नहीं दिए।
नहीं यार, वो एक्चुअली छोटे भाई के ट्यूशन फीस के लिए निकाल के रखे।
बेटा।
हाँ माँ।
वो मकान मालिक आए थे, किराया।
हाँ माँ, मैं जहाँ पार्ट टाइम जॉब कर रहा हूँ उसकी सैलरी इस हफ्ते हो जाएगी, मैं दे दूंगा माँ।
ठीक है बेटा।
अरे मुन्नी, मेरा कॉलेज खत्म होते ही मुझे एक बहुत अच्छी नौकरी मिल जाएगी, उसके बाद तेरी शादी धूमधाम से करूंगा।
ठीक है भैया।
ये और कुछ ऐसे ही सपने अपने दिल में सजाए मैं जी रहा था, लेकिन आज इस एक्सीडेंट ने मेरे सारे सपनों को कांच की तरह चूर कर दिया। मुझ जैसे और कितने यश होंगे जो अपने दिल में बहुत सारे सपने सजाए, उन्हें पूरा करने के लिए जूझ रहे होंगे। कहीं वो भी मेरी तरह ड्रिंक एंड ड्राइव का शिकार तो नहीं हो रहे, और आप पर ये नौबत तो नहीं आ रही है कि हम ये कहे कि हाँ मैं जिम्मेदार। वैसे भी हमें एक दूसरे के जान की कीमत करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम,
एक दूसरे के
लिए बेकरार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम,
एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम।
थैंक यू। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। बहुत अच्छा किया आपने। और फिर अच्छी बात यह है कि आपने एक ही ड्रेस बना के एक सिंबॉलिक कैरेक्टर्स थे सभी। So I really liked it. God bless you. Wish you all the best.
Next on CTC.
I appreciate your power of your voice.
तेरी यादें हैं कुछ अधूरी,
Graceful.
आधी है कुछ है पूरी, आँखों में है कैसी ये नमी, मेरा मन।
You are extremely gifted and a beautiful dancer.
Now for the moment we all have been waiting for, the results. Who will win the grand finale?
Our CTC rock stars have a small treat just for you.